Just finishing up lining my baking sheet with some pretzel snaps. We're grabbing ourselves some white chocolate melts and we're gonna place them right in the center of those snaps, just like so. Now you can tell underneath these pretzels that I pre-lined it with a parchment paper. So you wanna do that just in case if any of that white chocolate gets down there, it will make it easy to take off. Now, of course, you can use any type of white melting chocolate that you would like. However, this round little shape works perfectly. That's exactly what you want to find. And you'll just go through and place one little white chocolate on these squares, you guys, and whip together a super easy 3-ingredient Valentine's treat that is awesome to put out for any occasion. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. The last button of chocolate.
Wow.
That was highly therapeutic. All right, we're not completely done yet, but we want to pop these in the oven. My oven's set at 350 already. I'm gonna stick those in there. I might even keep the oven door open just a little bit. We want that chocolate to melt just a little bit on top, and stick around because we have one more step and it's gonna be great. Okay, check those out, you guys. It only took a couple minutes, so keep an eye on them because you want it to keep the shape. You want the white chocolate to keep their shape. Okay, moving along with this easy treat, we have some classic M&Ms here, and this one has an assortment of red and pink and white, and I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna use the red and the pink ones, and I'm gonna place them right there in the center of that white chocolate. Little Valentine's Day buttons, you guys. Do this all the way through. Place these little M&Ms in the white chocolate. And if you have another suggestion for another Valentine's Day treat candy to stick in the middle here, go ahead and write that in the comment because I would love to hear all about it. We are almost done here. And as we finish up placing these last few M&Ms on here, I can't but help but look at this and think, how stinking cute, excuse me, are these little Valentine's Day buttons. I mean, take a look at those. How fun, and look at their bite size. You just pick it up, just like that. You know, I know it still needs to dry, but I'm just gonna take a bite anyways. Wow. Per usual, the saltiness from the pretzel and the sweetness from the chocolate is so amazing. Not to mention, I love the white chocolate with the milk chocolate combination and that little bit of crunchy coat that the M&M gives. I think I'm gonna have to have one more. I mean, it's only fair that if I'm gonna have a red one, I should also have a pink one. Yes, 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 yes. This 3-ingredient Valentine's Day treat is definitely a winner in my books. Let me know what you guys think. If there's any way that you would change this up, wow, I could eat this whole tray to myself. No joke. See you guys later.